New tonight at 6, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention voted moments ago that healthcare workers and long-term care facility residents will be the first in line to get a COVID-19 vaccine. What does today's decision mean for those of us here in the Valley? Valley News Team's Callie Hubbard met with local health officials on what they're doing when Pfizer and Moderna's vaccine arrives in the Valley.
We're really anticipating cases to go back up.
As we wait for an expected Thanksgiving COVID case surge, health officials in the Red River Valley are prepping for the longly awaited COVID-19 vaccine.
The first ones to get it would be the nursing staff that's going to be injecting others.
Dr. James Volk with Sanford says next is frontline caregivers like physicians and nursing staff that are working on the COVID unit and ICU. Then comes the elderly and long-term care facilities.
We're in discussion right now as to where residents of long-term care fall on that priority list also. The vaccine, really appears very safe at this point in time. So I don't anticipate any issues in immunizing even elderly with multiple comorbidities.
Dr. Richard Vetter with Essentia says they're following similar steps with the addition of essential workers like firefighters and police officers.
Realizing, like everything else, COVID, that there'll probably be changes along the way.
Both are expecting the first shipment from Moderna and Pfizer coming to Fargo sometime this month. Pfizer's vaccine has to be stored at a temperature colder than in North Dakota winter, minus 80 degrees Celsius. Moderna's is minus 20.
Once you take it out of the deep storage or deep temperatures, you can actually refrigerate it for up to 5 days. So we'll have to have just really robust processes in place to make sure we can utilize all that product.
Both hospitals saying they have enough storage for the vaccine, but with the demand being high for freezers, other organizations may have a hard time finding them. And although it appears like hope is on the horizon, health experts say we're not out of the woods yet.
We're not trying to be the bad guys. We're just trying to ensure that those future holidays can be as joyous as can be with as many loved ones as you want.
In Fargo, Callie Hubbard, Valley News Live.
Both health officials say getting vaccines for the general public may be available and won't be available until spring. To stay up to date on the latest, download the VNL News app.